Hi, VPNv4 BGP core section. Okay, configure BGP between HQ and the VPN network following the table below. HQ is OSPF and the VPN network table below. R6 7. This is a hub and this one is a spoke and this one is spoke. Twelve is HQ. 12 is HQ. Spoke, hub, and HQ. We have to configure VPNv4 BGP address family. And this is local and remote is the same. It is IBGP. Okay. Configure 12 and 50 and 16 as a root reflector client of 6 and 7. Okay, 50, 12 and 60 are root reflector clients. 6 and 7 are hubs are root reflector. These two are root reflector and these three are root reflector client. And use P session and policy templates on 6 and 7. Okay, I will use P session and policy on our routers. Ensure that no other address family is established between these P. This is MPLS core. We have VPNv4 address family. Family for BGP, and we have to disable default IPv4 address family with no default BGP. I think it's no default. Yes, no BGP default IPv4. We have to configure this command to disable default IPv4 address family for routers and enable VPNv4 address family. And no other BGP adjacencies should be formed. Okay. 6 and 7 here. These two are root reflector. Let's see another color. This is our root reflector, and this is root reflector client, and this one is root reflector client. I have to configure root reflector client command toward on hubs inside P policy template with the reflected client toward with the reflected clients. Okay, let's configure this VPNv4 MPLS code. Okay, let's first configure root reflectors 6 and 7. These are root reflectors. Shown on pipe section .BGP. Okay, it is route BGP 6 passy. Okay, I have another BGP here as configured previously. This is for 9, 10 and 7. 9, 10 and 7. This is IBGP. This is BGP-AS. I will create another template P policy for VPNv4. Okay, let's do that. .BGP config t .BGP. Then I have to create template P policy. Let's call it VPNv4 policy. Then root reflector client. This is the root reflector client. Okay, I have to do the same on another hub. Show run pipe section route BGP. This is route BGP is this one. Config T. Template P policy. I will use the same name here. Template P VPNv4 policy. Root reflector client. Okay, I have created reflector client. Policy, then will activate for 12, 15 and 16 inside VPNv4 address family. I have to add VPNv4 address family and INE, then activate toward 15 to 12, 15 and 16. Okay, let's create our session. template p session. This is for IBGP neighbors. I call it VPNv4 session. Okay. Let's see what we have to do here. Okay, it says use the loopback 2 interface and loopback 0 interface on. Okay, I have to use update source for P session. Update source for loopback 2 on 6 and 7, and for loopback 0 on 12, 15 and 16. Okay, let's do that. This is P session. This is this is P session. Update source. This is loopback 0. Loopback 2. Loopback 2. Then remove AS. This is IBGP 65600. 65600. Okay. Let's configure this one. Let's configure this first, and I will copy the configs on R6. Okay, I have created remove session, remove the ISP policy, and then neighbor. This is neighbor toward loopbacks of this one. I have to choose select loopbacks as remote AS loopback. I have to choose neighbor as loopback. Let's see what is this loopback. Show IP interface brief, and okay, neighbor. Neighbor inherit P session. This is P session VPNv4 session. It will inherit loopback 2 as update source and remove AS. The other one is this. Neighbor, this one in VPNv4 and neighbor 16. This one. Okay, and okay, exit. Then I have to create address family VPNv4, then activate it and inherit P policy. Okay, let's go to BGP what was what I be 65600 2 share and 5 section .BGP. Okay, let's see what I have done so far. I have created VPNv4 template policy for an added with client. Then I have created this template session for VPNv4, added remote areas, and after source for loopback 2. Then I have inherited this for these 3 neighbors. This is loopback 0 of these routers, and I have to create address family VPNv4 address family. Let's see if I have okay, I have no BGP default IPv4 unicast disabled already. I have disabled it already. Don't have to type this command on this family please. I've done this before. Okay, let's create address family VPNv4. This is VPNv4 for MPLS core unicast. Inherit. I have to first activate, then inherit. Neighbor. This one. This one. Activate. Neighbor. This one. Activate. The neighbor. This one. Activate. Then inherit. Neighbor. This one. Inherit. P policy. Template is template of P policy. This is P session. This is P policy. This will inherit with reflector. This will set with reflector client toward this 3 neighbors. Neighbor. This is IP policy. This one, and neighbor. Neighbor 15. Okay. Do shut on pipe section with the BGP. Okay, it is automatically added some community extended. Okay, let's do this here on 6. Do shut down pipe section dot BGP. What? Okay, I have to create I have created P policy. Yes, I have to create P template P session. This is template P session. Then I have to inherit this is VPNv4 session. And I have no BGP default, and I have to add address. I have to go to address family, create address family here. Then I have to inherit these address families. Okay. Now I have to create root reflector clients. These were root reflectors, and I have to create root client. Okay, let's configure this one. Shut down pipe section .abgp. On 50 12. I don't have BGP. Show IP protocols. Okay, I don't have BGP for 12 and 16, I think. Show on file section .abgp. I don't have BGP routing protocol for 12, 15 and 16. Okay, config T. I will use BGP P template. In this lab it says only used P template for 6 and 7 policy, but I will use P session and policy for these rotators. Okay, let's do what we can do. I have to create P session for IBGP, and then add the no BGP default IP version for unicast, and this one. Okay, let's configure this one. This is client. This is with the clients. I don't have to use I don't have to create P policy for clients. I have to only configure P session. Okay, let's configure this one. Rotate BGP. This is 65600. Yes. 65600. Yes. 65600. Okay, let's first disable default IPv4 address family. No BGP default IPv4 unicast. Okay. No BGP default IPv4. This will disable default IPv4 address family. Then I have to okay, let's create template P session. I'll call it VPNv4 session. I create remote address 646. This is IBGP 646.00. 65656. Then update source. I have to use loopback 0. I think loopback 0 as update source. Loopback 0. Loopback 0. Okay, I have two neighbors here. This is neighbors toward loopback 2 of 6 and 7. Exit to shutdown pipe section. Rotate BGP. I have created template P session for IBGP. Then disable and define address. Okay, let's type neighbor, and this is to show IP interface brief. This is one loopback. 666. Neighbor 666. Neighbor 666 init P session VPNv4 session. This will and neighbor 77.77.77.77. Okay, now I have to add this family VPNv4. unicast, then activate this neighbors, neighbor this, activate. Then I don't have pre-policy. Maybe activate. Okay. To shut on. This is, I have to configure all of these other root reflector clients. This is the same, and the same. $50. Yes. All the same. And this one. Okay, I have on root reflector client. I have created a VPNv4 session, removed AS, and united toward root reflectors and activated inside address from VPNv4. Disable the default Arduino unicast address family. Okay, let's verify our work. Everything is working. And show BGP VPNv4 unicast all summary. Oops. VPNv4. Okay, good. This is a spark. I have three. This is go to reflectors. Which is go to reflector. Go to identify. This is our go to reflectors. This is go to reflector clients. I have two go to reflectors and three root reflector clients. This is three our clients. Okay. Show BGP VPN v4 unicast all unicast summary. Unicast. Okay. I haven't configured any RD yet. design VPN. Okay. Show BGP VPNv4 unicast. Okay. VPNv4. Okay, this is fine. I hope you have enjoyed this video.